Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Voyager the Second here. Today is our first handrail vlogs on the Shinkansen Bullet Train. Today I'm standing on platform 22 at Tokyo Station. I'll be boarding this train to Morioka Station. The red train here is an E6 series. The set here is U4, and the green train is set U4 on the E5 series. I'll be on set U4 and I'll be getting off Morioka Station from there. Legroom here is quite very roomy. We've got plenty of legroom. Just to show the perspective of my leg right here. Very roomy leg room. If you compare that to an airplane, there isn't much, only about half. You only got half the amount of leg room. Just show you the carriage right now, and then I'll be walking to the door, and then from there I'll be showing you the speed we're traveling at right now. The seat configuration's the same as back in Sydney, 2x3. Passing under plenty of tunnels right now. But we should be traveling at this speed. Yeah, right here, 270 kilometers an hour. I can show you what 270 kilometers an hour looks like. Quite glary, may not be the best lighting. We're now arriving at Sendai. From Sendai, this is going to be an all-stop service to Morioka, and then from Morioka this train will terminate and I'll be getting off that station. We weren't able to achieve such speeds. But we should be on the return trip. It will happen this afternoon. For your information, we are now arriving at Morioka. Arriving at the terminal. This train will be terminating here. But you've seen the past trips. My second vlog is going to be on the return trip from Morioka to Tokyo, and hopefully get a better experience on that trip. But so yeah, we're now finally arriving at Morioka. I'll wrap the vlog up once we get out of the train. So yeah, I'll see you outside the station. I'm finally at Morioka Station. Here we have Z4 and U4. They have terminated on platform number 3. No, actually no, this is not platform 3, this is platform 13. So anyway guys, we're going to wrap the vlog up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and favourite the video. I will see you next time. Bye for now.